write the word memorandum on top. Okay, first. Secondly, when you are done with it, the second thing is to draw a box like this. Okay, and in the box, the first thing should be to, then one line is space, then from, then one line is space, then subject, then one line is space, and then date. When you reach the date, you close this box soon after that. There is no one line space between the closing line of the box and the date. The exact line on which you write date should have a closing line. The box should be closed underneath that. Okay, so no line space. So this is with regards to the box. Remember, if you are working from this space, for example, from here, or like this is your workspace. This is what I call workspace. If you work between these two lines, you should have your box all over it. Okay, from this point to this point, this is your workspace. So you should have a box from this point to that point. Done. When you are done with the box, remember you should have two things. One, the name of the person. Second, the designation of the person. And both these things should be separated by a comma, because you have a name and you have a designation. You have the designation of the person. Remember, there is no title. There is no Mr. There is no Miss. There is no other title. Only the name of the person and the designation. These two things are written. Then when it comes to from, obviously, once again, you can have two things, name and designation, or if you have only one person working on a designation, obviously you will have only one person. So you may also write only the designation of the person, as you may find in this case. This thing is very important, this forward slash. I hope you can see this. This is very important because after the forward slash, the person who is going to write this memorandum is going to put his signature. If not, he can also put, for example, his initials. For example, KAS. Now, these are the initials, Kamran Akhtar Siddiqui. So you can put initials also after Kamran, after this forward slash. But a technical point is that you have not written your name. Have I written my name over there? No. So if I have not written my name, this is not a good idea to write my initials. So the best thing is to put my signature in there, right? So if you have written your name and designation, then you are allowed to use initials. Otherwise, put your signature. And now you must also be sure that you do not put any signature over here. Sometimes the students make this mistake. You are writing to Mr. Salman Khan, and how you put your signature of Mr. Salman Khan's signature over there? How can he put his signature in your memorandum, that you are writing? So understand this like this. And when it comes to subject, the subject is in title case. Remember, it is also in the video. You can also see later on. The date is in the same format. Paragraph sequence, this is a bad news memo. This is buffer, explanation, and then bad news and any alternative. If you have got if you have got a direct approach, for example, good news you are supposed to share, or you are just supposed to share some information from with the colleagues. So it's simple as that. You just share this and that's it. There is nothing, no